When it comes to enhancing the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space, landscape lighting plays a pivotal role. It not only adds to the aesthetics of your property, but also improves safety and security. Whether you want to create a warm and friendly ambience or accentuate specific characteristics, landscape lighting provides a variety of alternatives. In this video, we'll delve into various landscape lighting methods that include landscape down lighting, landscape up lighting, landscape front lighting, landscape backlighting, landscape cross lighting, landscape flood lighting, landscape grazing lighting, landscape hanging lighting, and landscape wall wash lighting. Landscape down lighting, or moonlighting, is achieved by strategically placing fixtures high above the ground, allowing the light to filter through the leaves and branches of trees. This creates a soft, dappled pattern on the earth that mimics the effect of moonlight. Moonlighting is ideal for creating a romantic and enchanting atmosphere in your garden, highlighting seating areas and outdoor dining spaces, and adding depth and dimension to your landscape. Landscape uplighting involves placing fixtures at ground level to direct light upwards, highlighting specific elements in your landscape. It's an excellent method for showcasing the architectural features of your home or the beauty of tall trees. Landscape uplighting can create dramatic and eye-catching effects in your outdoor space, such as accentuating the facade of your home or other architectural elements, lighting the trunks and canopies of trees, creating a stunning silhouette. Enhancing the beauty of statues, sculptures, or other garden focal points. Landscape front lighting is a method used to illuminate the front-facing elements of your landscape. It's an effective way to highlight your home's facade, garden beds, or welcoming entryway. Consider the following ideas when using this technique. Make a great entrance by lighting up your front door and porch area. Add color and interest to the front yard by highlighting flower beds or shrubs. Control the direction of light using fixtures with adjustable heads. Landscape backlighting is a method that involves placing fixtures behind objects or features to create a stunning silhouette effect. Backlighting sculptures, water fountains, or architectural elements for a striking visual impact, or combining backlighting with uplighting or downlighting for a layered lighting design is a captivating way to add depth and drama to your outdoor space. Landscape cross-lighting is a method that involves lighting an object or feature from multiple angles to create a balanced and well-defined look. Outdoor cross-lighting is typically used to highlight trees, statues, or garden structures, and it adds balance and definition to the landscape by using techniques such as positioning fixtures at opposing angles to eliminate shadows and evenly illuminate the subject, using cross-lighting to highlight the symmetry and beauty of trees or hedges, experimenting with different intensities and angles to achieve the desired effect. Landscape flood lighting is all about creating a broad, intense beam of light to illuminate large areas of your landscape. It's often used for security purposes or to highlight expansive lawns and open spaces. Outdoor flood lighting serves a dual purpose, providing security and ambience through techniques like installing floodlights in strategic locations to deter intruders and enhance safety, illuminating large areas of your lawn to create a pleasant and colorful environment for gatherings, using floodlights with motion sensors for added security and energy efficiency. Landscape grazing lighting involves placing fixtures close to a textured surface, such as a stone wall or tree trunk, to create a striking play of light and shadow. It's an excellent way to accentuate the texture and depth of your landscape features through positioning fixtures close to the surface you want to highlight, such as a stone wall or a fence. Using grazing lighting to emphasize the texture and details of architectural elements, experimenting with different angles and distances to create captivating shadow patterns. Landscape hanging lighting refers to fixtures suspended from trees, pergolas, or other overhead structures. It creates an enchanting atmosphere, therefore ideal for outdoor dining areas and cozy nooks. Using techniques such as hanging pendant lights or lanterns above your outdoor dining table for a comfy and intimate atmosphere, sticking string lights to create a whimsical and festive ambience in your garden, and experimenting with different heights and arrangements to achieve the desired effect. Landscape hanging lighting adds a magical touch to your outdoor spaces. Landscape wall wash lighting is the method used to evenly illuminate a wall or a fence, creating a beautiful backdrop for your outdoor space. It's a versatile technique that can enhance the visual appeal of your landscape. Outdoor wall wash lighting adds a touch of elegance and beauty to your outdoor setting via techniques such as installing wall wash fixtures at an appropriate distance from the wall to create an even wash of light. Using wall wash lighting to highlight the texture and color of your walls or fences, and incorporating colored filters to create unique and captivating effects. Landscape lighting is a popular way of transforming the outside space into an oasis of beauty, security, and functionality. You can develop a personalized lighting design that meets your preferences and demands by combining different lighting methods. Remember that the best landscape lighting starts with careful planning and impartial assessment. The proper lighting strategies can help you achieve your vision, whether you want to create a romantic mood, improve security, or highlight the beauty of your landscape. Knowing all the lighting methods, you can start the adventure of lighting up your outdoor space and making your landscape shine beautifully.